Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. This is a very quick gold and silver price alert update in the last couple of hours since the market has reopened from being closed for the weekend. We've seen a nice uptick in the price. And this is absolutely confirming for me where I think it's going in the next, a few days, couple of weeks, and even in the next month and a bit. So, very quick price alert update, just in case you haven't seen the prices yet, you're still asleep, or you've just woken up, or you haven't looked at the charts yet. Of course, head over to bullionnow.com.au. We are now back open for over-the-counter sales. So we hadn't been because of the whole thing that's been going on. I won't mention the name, but we are back open for over-the-counter sales. You can just walk in, bring cash with you, and do all the regular stuff that you used to be able to do. You can do all that again in the store. So open again. We'll make an official announcement later today via YouTube. But here we go. So in the last couple of hours, over the weekend, we were closed. Obviously, the markets were closed. It closed at around about $1,740 US. Of course, I'm talking in US dollar terms. And since the opening a couple of hours ago, we had a nice little spike all the way up to, this is on the 1 hour time frame in gold, all the way up to 1,760. We could have a little bit of a dip from there, just come back to, around about this kind of area, your 1750 kind of mark where we, the previous little high right there, could have a little dip and then back up again, could keep going up, but I think this is absolutely confirmed for me, and none of this is financial advice, of course, but we are heading up to the $1,800 US level. Here's on the daily. Right there, you can see that clear break above, a nice bunch of green candles. And was it going? We were indeterminate whether we were going to have a bit more of a dip before we continued up, but no, market opened and the buyers are now definitely in control. We are heading up steadily. Right here, best to take a look at the monthly. I guess that's the easiest way to do it. As you can see right here, that's this month, that's last month. Very easy to see, in my opinion, that we're heading up to this level here, at least of $1,800. And we will have hit that or very close to that by the end of this month. The date right today is Monday, the 18th of May, 2020 at 10 a.m. roughly Australian Eastern Standard Time. So keep all of that in mind. Very close to hitting the $1,800 level. Definitely going to happen by the end of May. We've got 13 days to go, so no doubt in my mind we're going to hit that. My call has been to the all-time high by the end of June, so by June 30th, by the start of July, we'll have hit that. I'm still going to very much call that, but just want to let you know a quick price alert because it's heading up very quickly. We've had a bunch of orders come through this morning online, and so a lot of people out there are also awake and getting their orders in. Whether you buy or whether you don't buy is up to you, but we're having a lot of buyers this morning. And we've got a lot of stuff available on the website. We've got stock. If you go to in the gold section, we've got lots here, gold in fractionals. We've got gold 1 ounce, 100 gram, 50 gram, 100 grams, I said, 50 gram 1 ounce, smaller fractionals, 1/20ths, 1/10ths, so lots, and in silver as well. Kilo bars, which are back in stock as well. We've got a whole bunch back in stock. We're clearing out all the pre-orders today and tomorrow, but we've got new ones available. So if you want to come into the store and just buy some locally produced 1 kilo silver bars, you can come in today and pay cash and take it away with you. So that is gold, very steadily heading up to there, $1,800, and by the end of the month, as I said. And I think we're going to make a play for the all-time high of $1,920 US by the end of June. So that's gold. Quickly take a look at silver. It's been doing a very similar thing in the last couple of hours. That's silver on the monthlies. Take it quickly back to the hourly. Same thing. Market opened, had a spike where we were closed at around about 1660 US, had a spike up to 1680, back down to almost where we came from. 1660 and all the way back up to nearly $17. Looks like we're heading up further. So we've had a whole bunch of silver orders in particular in the last couple of hours. We had about 7 or 8 locally produced 100-ounce bars, but they're not on the website anymore because they sold out. I think it was 3 people in total bought out all 8 or 9 roughly of our locally produced 100-ounce bars. So they're gone for the moment, but they'll be back very soon. But we've got lots of those kilos. So here, as I said, on the daily time frame, and we're going to be heading up to roughly anywhere between, again, this is my non-financial advice opinion, we will probably spike, there we go, right there. Can you see that? Right there. That is a previous level of resistance and a previous level of support right there. So that is heading at around about, what are we looking at? Oh, I can look at it exactly. About $17.30 in US dollar terms. We will at least come up to there. So we may range somewhere between 17.30 and around about here at your 17.70. So that's my call. We will continue to spike up over the next, until the market closes for the day, at least on the Australian market, that is. And we will go up to around about 17.30 to 17.70 in my opinion. We've got to have a spike back down. You know, you have a few, where are we? A few days of green candles. You are going to come back down at some point, but I think the resistance will be here, as I said, about 17.30 to 17.70. But as you can see, and I'm just sort of repeating myself now, but a very clear break up. So things are looking very positive in both gold and silver. I will do platinum and palladium during our weekly analysis that I do almost every week, but this was just a quick little addendum to that, quick little price alert update because we saw this big spike as the market opened. So youtube.com/bullion now, hit the big red subscribe button to join the family because of all the awesome stuff that we do, like the auctions, our price technical analyses, our epic unboxings and all that stuff. And once again, we are open again for over-the-counter sales. So you're welcome to purchase online, but you can come into the store and we will show you where we are right here. Suite 605 on level 6. I'm going to pop that in there after I finish this video. I'm going to pop that in there. Level 6, Suite 605, 227 Collins Street in Melbourne. Open again for over-the-counter sales. Just walk in. Don't need to make an appointment. Bring cash and your lovely smiling face, and we will see you in the store as well. All right, gang, we'll do another technical analysis, a proper one that'll come sometime this week. Hit the big red subscribe button to join the family. We are the winning team, 3,700 and something subscribers now. Man, we're doing really, really well, and we hope you're doing really well too. So come to the store, take care, and we'll speak to you soon.